From time to time, I need to show you guys, or I need to get a new program. I update my program, and I put out a new program release. And when I do that, I need to give you guys send you guys the new program. And this is videos tells you how you can get the program and install it. So anyway, so what I do when I send you the program, you click here, and then you this is my email program, and you download it. And when you download it, using Yahoo, this shows up down here. You right click it and you go show in folder. If you use a different email program, you're on your own, you have to do that the way you do it on your anyway, so you get it into in a folder. This is usually a temporary folder. So what I do is I copy it and I put it into a folder that I like. I keep all my stuff in a folder called Toby. Again, wherever you put it, it's up to you. I have one called Stocks, and I got Think or Swim. You don't have to have it this fancy. Anyway, so you just get to the place where you want to keep it, and then paste it in there. Anyway, so this is where I've already got it. I've got it in here. So this is the program right there that I just sent on the email. So now that we got it on a folder on my computer, I got to put it into the Thinkorswim program. So the Thinkorswim program looks like this, right? And the way you do that, charts, and so you click on the charts tab right there, and the chart shows up. And then you click on this little thing here, looks like an hourglass, or a flask, whatever you're going to call it. There's two of them, this one and this one. One says studies, one says no edit studies. That's the one we want, edit studies. Click. Now we want to do import. So go import, and then we got to browse to where we want to go, where the file is. Again, I go to Toby. You're going to put it in your own little folder that you like. And my folder is in Stocks, and I go to Thinkorswim. Again, you put it in your own folder where you want to keep it. Wham, that one. So I select the file. This is the one I just got from my email. And then I go open, and I go yeah. Okay, now this is sort of a search bar up here, and so I put Toby up here, and this shows all the programs I've written. Most of them, vast majority of them I don't use, and this is the backup one right there that we just got off the internet, off the email. So you select it here, and then you have to go add selected down there. Bam. And it shows up here. Add selected. Then you go OK. And there it is. That's the program. That's all, folks. Bye.